Hello my friends, Mila Marie, your tech princess here. Today we're going to be reviewing this GS75 from Eweadn. Thank you to my good friends at Eweadn for sending me this beautiful board. I can't wait to see what she can do, so let's get into it. Let's unbox her together. Per usual, she comes very well packaged, as is typical with all Eweadn products. She comes with a dust cover, a USB-C cable, and some extra switches and a switch and keycap puller. This powder blue and pink colorway is absolutely beautiful. She is extremely sturdy and well made. This is a 75% keyboard. It comes with a beautiful metallic knob. She comes with tri-mode connectivity and works perfectly with Windows or Mac. Your 2.4 GHz dongle is conveniently located in the back. This 6-layer padding makes for such a creamy sound. Take a listen. She comes with Kale Cyan C switches. This is a very dynamic RGB lighting, and it is fully hot swappable with 3 and 5 pins. It is gasket mounted and features the dual feet kickstands. It comes with cherry profile double shot PBT keycaps. Now, as I said, this blue and pink is my favorite, but there are 5 colorways to choose from. She comes with 82 keys, including your full numbers and your up and down arrows. She has a 5000 milliamp battery for long use and can be fully programmable with the Eweadn software. This board is so well made. I was so surprised how creamy it sounded and how beautiful it is in person. I wouldn't wait. Definitely worth checking out.